guys, welcome back. It's Monday and it's the start of our work week. It's the 26th of April. We've probably had a major massive shift. We're probably really tired after our first day back. Some people have been, working through lockdown the whole way through, but some of us like myself, the gym's just opening, being a personal trainer. It's my first day back at work, and sometimes when you get your first day back, you just feel a little bit tired afterwards. So I know we've done the feel good high intensity workout last week, but today what we'll do is, since it's been such a long Monday, it's your first one back, let's just have a little stretch class to help us feel good. You might have a sore lower back, it's been standing up all day, where you're in retail, any of these sort of things. It's our first day back, let's just chill, let's get a little stretch, couple of minutes, nothing too long, let's feel good, have some dinner and enjoy the rest of our Monday evening. Alright, so what we're going to do to start is, we're going to be on our back, and from here we're going to lie back on our back, we're going to straighten our legs all the way out, and you're going to bring your right knee towards you, alright? If you can get it towards your nose or your chest, amazing. We're just going to hold that here. And what I want you to do from here is bring your left leg up, and then to the top, and then cycle it back down. So you're going to drag it all the way up to your right knee, you're going to kick it up towards the sky, and then you're going to bring it right down. So you're just going to cycle that motion. And then you're going to go as slow or as fast as you would like. I want you to really focus on pointing the toes down towards you. You'll feel that nice stretch on the back of the leg. Again, if we've been standing up all day, those backs of the legs are probably really tight, so you'll feel that sort of electrical pinch as you lock your knee out. You come all the way back down, you feel that nice wee shock in the back of your leg, stretching out those nerves down your hamstring. We'll do one more. We kick up, we come back down, and from here what you're going to do is bring your nose to your knee and then bring that right leg back down. We're just going to repeat on the other side. Grab that left leg. I'm just going to hug that. Sometimes you can see that my left leg is a little bit tighter than the right side, so again, we just hug it as where you feel comfortable. You're going to bring that right knee up, you're going to kick up towards the sky, and then you're going to bring it back down. Drag the heel across the ground, bring it up to the left, kick up and back down, and keep making sure that you're holding the left knee as close to your chest as possible. Dragging the knee up, kick up, back down. So again, when you kick up, I'll point to where you should feel it, right down the back of the sort of upper calf, down the hamstring, and then you'll cycle back out. We'll do that a couple of more times. Kick up and back down. So you're going to breathe in on the way in, out, on the way out. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, kick up, breathe out. Good, now what we're going to do is we're going to just bring this left knee to the centre, we're going to bring the right knee to the same side, hands out to your side, and all you're going to do is drop your knees from one side to the other. And what this is really good for is just loosening off that lower back. Again, don't be sort of rigid or stressed in this position or tight or tense. You're just going to let your legs drop to one side, make it a little pop, and you're going to drop to the other side. There we go. Breathe in, breathe out as you drop down. Good. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last one. Breathe in, breathe out. Back to centre. What we're going to do here, get our two knees, hug them towards the chest, touch the nose, and then we're going to reach all the way back out. But here we're going to go into a tummy, and from here we're going to go into upward dog. So in this position, hands at your shoulders, and from here you're just going to take a nice big deep breath in. As you breathe out, there we go, up nice and as tall as you can get. Some people may just be down here. If you can get your arms at a full extension, good work, good work, good work, good work. Again, take a nice big deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the mouth. We'll come back down, just take a little recovery, just resting those shoulders, resting those arms. Again, take a nice big deep breath in, one more time, breathe out. And the goal here is to try your best to get your torso off the ground, but also try and keep your hips on the ground. If your hips are way off, then it shows that you get real sort of hip tightness in the left or the right side. And then also you might have some abdominal or psoas tightness as well. Look up towards the sky, you can feel that tummy really stretch out here. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Go into cat-cow position, tabletop position here. What we're going to do here is we're going to stick our left leg out to the side. And all we're going to do here is we're just going to sit in this position. And again, you can sort of rock your hips back and forth. And as you go back, you might feel a little bit more of a pinch in the inside of the thigh. Just tabletop position, left leg out, right leg bent, just reach forwards, reach back, sitting back. You can feel that nice deep stretch in the inner thigh. Good. Again, breathe in, and out, breathe in, and out. Good, so we're just moving the body, we're just getting the blood flow going, we're opening up the muscles, we're just trying to feel good on a Monday night after our first day back at work. If it's not your first day, you're probably stressed anyway because you're in work and the sun is shining, so we need a bit of stretching just to relax and chill out the mind. You're not missing nothing. That's it, there we go. Good. One more time, going forwards, sitting back, back into the centre. I'm just going to switch legs. Now going to put that right leg out to the side. And again, you might feel there's some tightness more so on one side than the other. So just again, if you can only sit back so far, don't push it. Just let the body do its thing. You'll kind of start to feel that ease off as you keep moving through this sequence. That's it, moving forwards, moving back, move forwards, move back. Again, you can put a little bounce in the back step there, and then move forwards, back. Good. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Good, good work. We'll do another few on the right hand side, and then we're going to move into pigeon pose. Good, one more time. Down, those hips should be getting a little bit looser. Mine's feel a little bit warmed up and loosened off there. Back, right, bring that right knee back in, tabletop position. Right knee is going to move out and through in front of you, and your left leg's going to go back, and you're just going to go into a position that makes you feel most comfortable. From here, we're just going to keep our hands on the ground, and again, we're going to lift that chest up. We're going to look forwards. If you want to be on your fingertips, be on your fingertips, nice and tall here. Nice big deep breaths in and out. In and out. If you start to feel this stretch loosen off a little bit, focus on your left knee. Just kick that back a little bit more, and you'll start to feel that stretch amplify on the right hand back side. And then you might also feel this in your left thigh as well, and also on the inside of the hip there. Take a nice big deep breath in and out. And in and out. I'm just going to move that left foot a little bit further back, that left knee. moving further back to make that stretch a little bit stronger on the right side as the body's loosening off and responding well to the stretching. Hold this for another 4, 3, 2, 1. Back out of the pigeon pose on the right side, and now we're going to do pigeon pose on the left. So again, we're just going to bring that right knee through. Again, it might feel just a little bit tighter on the left than the right, or vice versa. Just work with what you can. Definitely this left side needs a little bit of work on my behalf anyway. Again, both hands on the ground. You can be on your fingertips to get a little bit up higher. Might take a little bit of pressure off the left hand side, the back side. Again, nice big deep breath in and out. And in and out. If you've watched Bad Boys 2, then you know, if you say "Woosah, woosah," meaning relax. You breathe in and out. Woosah, woosah. Good. Just hold there. If you've not seen Bad Boys 2, you probably think I'm a bit mad, but it's a good movie. Back onto the palms. If you've been on your fingertips, just again getting a little bit lower to the ground, makes that stretch a little bit more deep and amplifies. Again, right knee, try and get it a little bit further back, trying to decrease that space between your backside and the ground. Good. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and out. Bring that left knee back in, tabletop position here. All we're going to do from this position is we're going to get our right hand and we're just going to bring it all the way through. We can bend this left knee as we're going down. You can sit back as well. If you're here, that's fine, but if you can sit back a little bit more, you might feel a little bit more of a stretch. And where you're going to be feeling it, if I go left, you're going to be feeling that down your left hand side. If we go down through the right hand, we're going to be feeling it down the right hand side of the body. So what we'll do, we'll go palm facing up on the right hand side, we'll come down, and again just sitting back as far as you feel comfortable. And again, you're trying to get that shoulder and your head to the ground, but don't force it. And here you're going to feel a nice deep stretch on your upper right hand side of your back. Good. Just hold that position, breathing in, breathing out. We'll go on to our left side, we'll go on right hand here, left hand palm facing up, move across to the right hand side with your left hand. Now you'll feel this down the upper back of your left side. Sitting the bum back as far as it can go. Left hand facing up, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in and out. Back into the centre, child's pose, toes together, knees apart, reach all the way out as far as you can. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Close your eyes. Breathe. Relax. Just feel how much better your mind and your body are feeling right now after doing, 10, 12, 15 minutes of stretching. Does it feel a lot less stressed than you started? Do you feel a lot more relaxed mentally and physically? Does your body feel warmer? Does your back feel better? Does your legs feel better? Just check in with the body while your eyes are closed. Checking that back. Does that feel a little bit less achy than before? Do those hips feel a little bit looser and warmer than before? Does your breathing feel a lot deeper than it did before the class? Big breath in through the nose and out. Just coming back out of this position, back into tabletop position, onto our side. And there we have it, guys. A nice, gentle stretch routine. If you've just come back from any exercise, if you've done a fitness class beforehand, if you've done the feel good class before this class, this is a great way to wind down and cool down after a busy day. If you feel tired, if you feel tense, if you feel stressed, and you just want that little bit of relief, you want to relax, you want to recharge, and get back into the present with your mind and your body, do this class, do it again, you know, in a couple of days' time if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, being back at work and all these sort of madness happens again. Just pop this class back on, save it into your playlist. If it made you feel good, get back and do it again. And again, I'll see you on Monday next week. See you later, guys. Hope you have a great week and I hope you had a great start to your Monday. See ya!